was wondering, maybe, could I make you my baby? If we do the unthinkable.
3 days out here, just outside Black Canyon on BLM land. I'm back in motion again. Grand Junction ahead. Another stretch of road and dirt unspooling into distance. Somewhere between where I was and where I'm going, I noticed something I used to ignore. How I enter a place. Not just physically, but inwardly. The posture of attention I carry without choosing it. There is ease here. A real one. My body understands it before my mind can argue. Shoulders relaxing, breath widening, a truce with the world. And yet there is also vigilance. Not dramatic, not theoretical, just there. A habit of awareness that never fully turns off, even when nothing is wrong. I have come to understand that knowledge changes how we move through the world. Once you learn enough history, you can't unknow it. It does not announce itself, but it alters how you read the land and how you read yourself moving across it. Nothing here refuses me. The canyon does not. The road does not. The open sky is indifferent in a way only true openness can be. And yet, history is rarely neutral. It lingers, not as image, but as structure of feeling. It reminds you that open has not always meant what it claims to mean now. I find myself thinking about what it means to carry knowledge without letting it become a cage. To understand what has been without surrendering what is. That is not easy balance, and it's not meant to be. There is a tension in that awareness, a kind of double vision, seeing the world as it is and seeing it as it has been seen before you. I do not think that tension disappears. I think it becomes part of moving forward. Grand Junction is ahead. Water, maybe. Fish, maybe. A place to sit still long enough to remember that stillness is not something granted by permission. It is something practiced, reclaimed, and returned to. Thanks guys for watching that video to the end. More to come. Thanks Torrie for the donation, for buying my coffee. The first person to hit the link. Awesome. So yeah, I'll start giving shout outs to folks or just scrolling the names as donation comes in. we'll go from there. Hope you enjoy the next video.